Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark. I'm an acupuncturist, an applied clinical nutritionist, and I'm the president of Longevity Wellness. And I live in Sarasota, Florida, where we've just been hit by first Hurricane Helene and then Hurricane Milton. Thank you for your time in considering a donation to a dear friend of mine, Nancy Gaskin, who has recently had every single one of her belongings, apart from her beautiful puppy, destroyed in these two hurricanes. She is one of the most generous and giving people that I know. I met her as my neighbor when I lived up in Tampa, and she was kind to her core. I was just starting my practice, and she had the emergency key to the apartment. And when she would notice by a certain time if my puppy hadn't been walked because I was working so hard to make things go at the clinic, she would come over and she would walk the dog and just text me and let me know that she had done it. She's like this to everybody, and she's always been there for every single one of her friends anytime they needed her. When I moved to Sarasota and I still was working in two cities for a little while, she kindly let me crash on her bed whenever I would come to Tampa, and she would stay someplace else just so I would have a place that I could get a little bit of rest. She's one of the sweetest people that I've ever met. And I appreciate your donation towards her cause right now because she's really been hit by this. And every penny helps. Every penny helps. We are so grateful, all of those in Sarasota. We are grateful to all of the power support that's been coming in from all over the United States and even other countries. We're so grateful for lives. We're grateful for your prayers. We're grateful for your support, and we appreciate your prayers and your support now. Thank you so much. Be blessed.